Install Windows in computer before formatting a computer. Make sure that you have Windows XP, driver CD of all the peripherals installed in the computer, and the rest of the required softwares like Microsoft Office etc. Before formatting, you should also back up your computer's data. Put the Windows XP CD in your computer's CD-ROM drive. Restart computer. As soon as it starts, it will go into setup. For this, do as per the instructions given at the bottom of the screen. Usually it will be F10 or Del key. As you go through this setup, you have to choose the boot order menu, which is usually found in the storage menu or advanced menu. Go to the boot order menu and make CD-ROM the first option, so that when the computer is booted, it will directly read your CD-ROM, not the hard disk. Computer at startup. The CD will boot from the hard disk rather than boot start. As soon as the computer starts and reads the CD-ROM, a blue screen will appear. In the bottom part of the screen, the names of many files will keep coming back one by one because the setup program will read files from CD-ROM to Windows XP. After some time, you will see the Welcome to Setup screen, in which you will see three options. In the first option, press Enter to open Windows, press R to repair the second option, and press F3 to enter the third option. Press Enter here, after which the screen of the Windows XP licensing agreement will appear. Then press F8. Hard disk partition will appear. If you are installing Windows XP for the first time, then you will see unpartitioned space option and disk size in the box on this screen. If this operating system was already in the computer, then all the pre-made partitions will be visible. Press C on this screen. Now you will see the Create Partition of Size in MB box. Here you want to create a partition of megabytes, e.g. 40 gigabytes, then you put 409,160 megabytes and press Enter. Back to the previous screen. Will come the size of the partition you created will be visible as the entry size, and the remaining space on the hard disk under it will be seen in the unpartitioned space. You can create another partition by selecting unpartitioned space and pressing C key. Windows on any partition. If you want to install XP, select it and press Enter. On the next screen you will get 4 positions: format using NTFS, quick, format using FAT, quick, format using NTFS, format using FAT. Format using NTFS will already be selected. You press Enter. Once you press Enter, it will format the drive and start copying files to the setup hard disk. Computer restart. Windows XP graphical interface will come after the computer restarts in a while. Then after some time you will see regional and language options. Here you click on Next. After this, the Personalize Your Software screen will appear. Write your name here. The name of the organization can be left blank. Now click on Next again, after which the Your Product key option will appear. Enter the CD key found with the CD of your software here. It is of 25 characters. On pressing Next, the computer name and administrator password screen will appear. Now enter whatever name you want to give to the computer in the computer name text box. Under this, you enter your administrator password. On pressing Next, you will see the date and time settings dialog screen. Here you set the date and time of your computer and select GMT plus 5:30 Chennai, Kolkata option in the time zone combo box. Next, on pressing Windows XP will start installing your network software. After this, the network settings screen will appear in front of you. Here you leave the default setting typical settings selected and click on the next option. After this, workgroup or computer domain will come. Here too you press Next without changing anything. After this, Windows will copy the remaining files. Computer will restart. Now after some time the computer will restart, after which the display settings message box will come up. Here you press OK. After this, after pressing OK again, Windows will set the screen resolution according to your display card. Then press Next. Select the Help Protect My PC by turning option in the Help Protect Your PC screen. Press Next, followed by the Checking the Internet Connectivity screen. Here you select the DSL option according to the internet connectivity of your computer. Here you can also select the Skip option. Now ready to register with Microsoft screen will come. Here, you select No Not at this time option. Who will use this computer? On pressing Next, you will see the Who will use this computer screen. Here you can enter 5 users' names. After this, press Finish on Next and Next screen. Windows desktop will appear in front of you. Please my channel subscribe and like share.